catalog? There's a catalog.
Yes, I do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. But it doesn't cut you.
Oh,
So like this is a knife, but it's not a knife.
it doesn't cut you.
It doesn't cut you. So I can actually whittle away. I can use all the points. So I can do that. I got one for curves. So if I got a curve, I can actually get inside and do curves like that. And then I got the smaller guys, which are like X-Acto knives.
Yeah.
So with this one, I actually put my hand right on the thing, and I can just take off an edge. Again, and it's not sharp. So it's a safety tool as well as a deflasher.
Yeah. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, isn't it?
And this blade and this blade are one and the same.
Oh,
if I
okay.
open it up, I would flip it around. Same thing like that. So it's a 2-for-1 tool.
Now, where can they find this? I
You
mean,
can buy it online from all sorts of places.
Oh.
The major distributors like a Granger, McMaster-Carr, things like that. In town here, I have U.S. Shop Tool. I got a lot of industrial supply houses.
it's pretty awesome
You
stuff.
won't find it. You won't find it in the.
I'm gonna buy
hardware
one of
stores.
these. I'm gonna get one of these.
So there's